Yeah, bro. I got Instagram and then
I'm gonna have to follow it, bro.
dude, I started. You gotta check out my TikTok, bro.
Really?
Yeah, I've been doing a bunch of TikToks. I had one that just went pretty viral.
Really?
Yeah, a couple days. Yeah. No, definitely. If you get the full get up, they're pretty expensive.
Good profit, bro.
Yeah, definitely. And everything that you buy, I think is like a tax write-off.
Really?
Yeah. I got to figure out how to do my taxes this year. This is my first year, like, doing this full time, paying taxes on it.